We are going to look at chromosomes and chromatids, and we will see the structure of chromosomes in general. This is a cell. If we go inside the nucleus, we can see the genetic material. The genetic material is made of chromatin. Chromatin are threads before they condense and replicate and become chromosomes. So if we zoom into one of these chromatin, this is part of a chromosome. After replication, it will become a full chromosome. And the parts of this chromosome are the two sister chromatids joined together by the centromere. So the chromatin will replicate into chromatids, and they will be joined by the centromere to make the chromosome. And this is, of course, zoomed in. That's why we see part of one chromosome. So to repeat this, again, we look at the nucleus because it is where the genetic material is located, inside of the nucleus. So this is all chromatin. Chromatin will replicate to make the chromosome, which is made up of two sister chromatids that are joined at the centromere. So this is basically the general structure of the chromosome. And it is not a chromosome at all times. When it is unreplicated and it is decondensed, it is chromatin. When it condenses and replicates to make two sister chromatids joined at the centromere, that's when we call it a chromosome.